So, you see, it was common sense against philosophy. Common sense tells us that if my body is sick, I need something natural, because I am natural. I'm not a part of the laboratory. So therefore, my compound, my food, my medicine has to be from the same source. Now, if nothing we understand this evening, we have to understand, we have to remember then that it has to be alive. If nature didn't make it, don't take it. Don't take it if nature didn't make it. John Crotty, the bicentennial poet, said, if you don't watch the things you eat, the things you eat will soon eat you. I put together compounds that represent this electrical vibration that exists on the planet. We call it viento. You're selling it over there. You got the Ferro, which is iron, which is something that we all have been deprived of. Iron is the mineral that our body requires to maintain that electrical impulse and that vitality. That has been taken away from our diet 500 years ago. But with Pablo, one of the most intelligent individuals that I've ever met, in the understanding of herbs, we were able to put together a compound known as Ferro, the energy immediately. The other one is the Green Food Plus. Many people have talked about the lymphatic system, the sugar, the pressure, all that responds immediately. So yes, we put together those compounds based on that life arrangement, that life structure, which is what? Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Something that's alive. Dr. Sebi is not a scientist. Dr. Sebi is not educated. He's just another brother that has some information that has worked in the past and will continue to work. And I hope that we will improve it as we go on.